Good morning, everybody. On this chilly May the 30th, 5 o'clock in the morning video. Yeah, it's that type of video where this face might need a coffee, just, something to wake me up, to feel a bit more energetic. Anyway, thank you for coming back to my channel. I just love cars. Here we are in this beautiful countryside in England on B roads. There's absolutely not a single car, not a single horse or anything yet. So I thought I'm going to make a video about my new upgrade on my Civic Type R FK2. The upgrade that I've done was the B-pipe exhaust from Tegiwa. Now, it was, always one of those things, do I get it, do I not? Do I get it, do I not? Because I don't want the car to be droning and sounding really loud and stupid and obnoxious. And unfortunately, sometimes it feels that kind of way, that it's kind of droning. So before I bought my B-pipe, I was looking online, looking for all the different videos. And you know what? On YouTube, there was literally a handful of videos, but none of them really showed what is it like to live with a B-pipe. I personally didn't find any good videos about it, so I kind of bought the B-pipe with my eyes closed. So I thought, you know what, screw it, I'm going to try it. And sometimes I actually think, why the hell did I do it? So why did I buy the B-pipe? Did I ruin my car? Well, there's always arguments, isn't there? On some days I totally love it, especially when it's from the second gear to the third gear, when you do quick changes. Not if you don't really rev it too high, which you're going to see on the video shortly, it sounds quite nice. But then again, because it's turbo, it just takes away that exhaust sound. It's not like every single time you put it an exhaust in EP3 or FN2, you really know that you put an exhaust on there, you know what I mean? Because obviously you can hear all that sound. You have the engine and you got the exhaust. And it just sounds, I think, better. Whereas with turbos, you hear, obviously, because I also got a cold air intake from engine, you hear a lot of whistling down there under the bonnet from one side, but not too much from the back. But when you drive 60-70 miles an hour just on a steady road like motorway, whichever, and there's some droning in the car. And come on, we all know, all us FK2 owners, we know that these cars are not best insulated. Any little pothole, every little stone chip and everything, you can hear it going around your wheel arches. The same thing obviously with this exhaust. It just becomes a bit too much. First thing, I took my missus and my kids in the car after installing it. Do you know how much grief I got? They're like, it's too loud, Daddy, it's too loud, don't go too fast. I'm like, I'm not even going fast. It's just how it is. Now, obviously, because it's kind of bedded in a bit, it's been a week. I don't think it's any better. It's actually, I think it's gotten a bit louder, but it's not maybe that kind of canny as it was in the beginning. But anyway, here's a video for you to listen to it. I'm gonna make another video later on in the day, just so you can see what it's like to live with it from the inside of the car. So thanks for tuning back in, and yeah, just enjoy the beautiful sounds of the 2016 Honda Civic Type R FK2 2-liter turbo engine with 307 to 310 bhp. So yeah, enjoy it, and I'll see you inside the car to show you all the different sounds that's happening from the B-pipe. See you in a bit. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, inside the car. Buckle up. Sorry about my belly. Quarantine got us drinking a lot, eating a lot. And now we're back to normal, working and earning and modifying the car. Obviously you go into the neutral, I want to slow it down. Obviously it's not as bad. Don't get me wrong, I mean even the droning is nowhere near as bad as it used to be with like FN2. Obviously it all depends what kind of exhaust you go with, but most exhausts that I had on my Japanese cars, they were like, okay, it's a bit too loud. Now there's one that I've had absolutely to perfection, but I paid quite a lot of money for it. Was by, oh, I forgot the name of it actually. It's an American company, American exhaust company, but the guys that welded and made it for me for my Honda Accord, the American version, the 2-door coupe. So yeah, so my Honda Accord had this completely custom stainless steel exhaust, and that sounded lovely. It wasn't too much, it wasn't droning, it was literally perfect, It had a nice roar to it, but it wasn't too much. There's actually a video on my YouTube channel from like over maybe 10, 11 years ago. That's when I started doing the videos, but I just never took it further. I don't know why. Imagine if I kept on pushing all the videos out. Anyway, coming back to what we were here for. What are we here for, guys? To hear the sound of the B-pipe. So here we are at 60 miles an hour, 5th gear. There you go, 60 miles an hour with the 6th gear on. Just a steady drive. This is the kind of droning that's happening. Let's switch the camera angle a bit, and I'll show you the true speed, right? We're not going crazy or anything. So look. Kind of miss the quietness of how it was before. Kind of. Saying that, what I might consider doing is taking my original B-pipe, because on our Honda FK2s, on the original pipe you got 2 silencers. Now in Germany they sell a B-pipe online for our car, but because obviously in Germany you got all these strict rules, like the car can't be too loud and all these things, all these regulations. What they got is they got a B-pipe but with 1 silencer. So just to give a little bit more, that a little bit nicer sound probably, but it's not going to drone as much as now. So look, 50 miles an hour. Obviously this is a bad road, really. See what I mean? You know, look, everybody makes their own mind. If you want an exhaust, obviously you buy an exhaust. If you want a quiet car, you just don't touch your exhaust, I suppose, you know. I wanted to try it. I tried it out. At the moment, I'm literally 50-50. I don't really know what to do at the moment, so I'm just kind of enjoying it for the summertime. So hopefully you're gonna get the new wheels for the car soon. So, you know, even if I take it on the track once or twice, I'm sure it's gonna sound good. So yeah, that's how it is. So now we are in plus R mode. As you can see, everything is illuminated red. Even that is illuminated in red. Right. Let's push her a bit more. In plus R mode. Down to you, whether you like it or not. I've done like a few minute drive, you know. The only other video I could do, or another basically frame, if I was to go on the motorway, or actually even a dual carriageway, which I'm going to include, but I'm going to include that, you know, when, well, yeah, for you it's going to be straight away. Excuse me, for me it's going to be in like 10 hours time. Hello folks, I told you for you it's going to be on in a couple seconds. For me it's been 10.5 hours of working time, but it's alright. It's been overtime on Saturday, so it's all good. So anyway, so I thought I could shoot you a quick video as we are on dual carriageway now. As you can see, we're not speeding, we're doing it at 73 miles an hour, which is fine. So, and this is the sound you hear from the exhaust. Obviously, when you let off of the accelerator, it's much quieter. Then you start accelerating a bit more, you know, but you do feel obviously quite a bit of humming. I mean, can you live with that? It's totally up to you, obviously, you know. So guys, what do you think? Does she sound nice? Does she not sound nice? Any comments are welcome, except the stupid ones. You know how Eminem says, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, so don't say nothing. So yeah, and on that note, I think this is it. Enjoy your day, stay true to yourselves, and keep on driving Type R's. Peace.